Games are more than just an entertainment. Behind every game are creative people, characters, write stories, and create music, develop the technology that brings everything to life. The Philippines, the game development industry continues to grow and gain recognition around the world. Philippine game development combines creativity, art, programming, and innovation to create games for computers, mobile phones, and game consoles.
Game development is an important role in the Philippines creative industry. It allows Filipino artists, programmers, writers, musicians, and designers to showcase their talents. Games inspired by Filipino culture, myths, and tradition help introduce our heritage to players around the world.
The industry also creates thousands of jobs, including game programmers, artists, animators, testers, sound designers, and project managers. Besides entertainment, games are also in education and training. Many educational games help students learn while having fun.
Creating a game requires different tools and technologies such as computers, game engines like Unity and Unreal Engine, and programming language like C#, and C++. Audio recording equipment is used for music and sound effects, while AI tools help with coding, testing, and content creation. These technologies help developers create realistic graphics, smooth gameplay, exciting sound effects, and engaging stories.
Like many creative industries, game development also faces challenges. These include limited funding for independent developers, piracy, and copyright infringement, and also strong competition from the international game companies. Developers must also keep up with rapid technological changes and continuously improve their skills.
The Philippine game development industry continues to grow because of the creativity, passion, and talent of Filipino developers. By supporting locally made games, we encourage innovation, create more opportunities, and help Filipino creativity reach the global stage.
Every great game begins with a creative idea. Behind every character, level, and adventure are talented people who turn imagination into reality. The future of Philippine game development is bright, and it starts with creativity, innovation, and passion.
I learned that game development requires teamwork, creativity, and different skills to create a successful game.
I would like to be a part of the game development industry because I enjoy the technology in creating games. I would create a game based on Philippine mythology to entertain players and promote our culture. It supports Filipino talent, creates opportunities, and helps our culture with the world.
Technology helps students to create games, digital art, and other projects while sharing their ideas.
It influences my daily life by helping me relax, improve my thinking skills, and enjoy with friends. I now appreciate Filipino game developers more because of their creativity, hard work, and dedication.